This is a day with Eva. Sleepover number 3. That looks like 3. Numero 3. That's creepy.
What are we going to do today? Let's go play. I'll be you, and you'll be me. Interesting. This is a very good day.
That's lame. Look how cute. This is a day. What is that? So creepy on the top of the camera. I can see it. There it is. Yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, it's gonna come up quicker. Oh damn it. It's backwards. Now it's upside down. And mirror. Let's get a mirror. And Gabby. That was Gabby. Oh, it's backwards. Wait, I can flip it. Hold on. Hold on. Let's switch places. Oh, there you go. Oh no. Yeah. Wait. Try to get it in there. I'm trying to get it in. That's what she said. Yeah, I was like, wait. Wait, what is it? Wait, okay. You're totally fine. Yeah. Alright. That's a great shot. Beautiful. Without that. He's a party animal. Yeah. Everybody's just crazy.
Well, you gotta do your hand. Yeah. Not this hand.
It's dead.
Well, her dad, I'm still.
There. In the hot tub. You can see a little bit, I think, yeah. Just don't turn off on me, please.